Okay, children, which topic will do today? Decimals, part 6. Okay. So, exercise 8.1 class 6 maths question 7. Between which two whole numbers on the number line are the given number lie? Your numbers lie between which two whole numbers? Which of these whole numbers is nearer to the number? Which of the whole numbers is nearer to the number? So 0.8 lies between whole numbers 0 and 1. So 0.8 is nearer to 1. We know that. 5.1 lies between whole numbers 5 and 6. So 5.1 is nearer to 5. 2.6 lies between whole numbers 2 and 3. So 2.6 nearer to 2. Know that. 6.4 lies between whole numbers 6 and 7. 6.4 is nearer to 6. 9.1 lies between whole numbers 9 and 10. So 9.1 is nearer to 9. 4.1 lies between whole numbers 4 and 5. 4.9 is nearer to 5. Exercise 8.1 class 6 maths question 8. Show the following numbers on the number line. First question is 0.2. Okay, how will do this? Okay, 0.2. How will do 0.2? 0 divided into 0 to 1. Between 0 and 1, you should have 10 parts. Okay, so 0.1 next, then comes 0.2. So it goes on like this: 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, 0.10 or 1. So 0.0 to 1 you have to divide it into 10 equal parts. So after 0.1 will come 0.2. Point A represents 0.2 here. Okay. Now 1.9 you have to plot on the number line. So between 1 and 2, make 10 equal divisions, 10 equal parts. So it will be 1.1, after 1, next is 1.1, after 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, next comes 1.9. So B figure represents 1.9. 1.1. So between 1 and 2 make 10 equal divisions or parts. Divide it into 10 equal parts on the number line. So after 1, what number will come? 1.1. So after 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, like that till 2. Now we have to plot only 1.1 here. So after 1, next will be 1.1. Point C represents 1.1. 2.5. So between 2 and 3, we divide into 10 equal parts. So after 2, 2.0 or 2 is the same. So 2.1. Next, tell me 2.2, 2.3, 2.4. Next comes 2.5. So point D represents 2.5. Class 6 8.1 exercise. Exercise 8.1 class 6 maths question 9. Write a decimal number represented at points A, B, C, D on the given number line. Point A represents 0.8 because between 0 and 1, I have divided it into 10 equal parts. So 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, then 0.8. A represents 0.8. B represents 1.3. So between 1 and 2, there are 10 equal parts. So B comes 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. B is represented by 1.3. So point C represents 2.2. So between 2 and 3, we are dividing into 10 equal parts. So key comes where? 2.1. Next, 2.2. Point D represents 2.9. So 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8. Then comes 2.9. So point D represents 2.9. Now, exercise 8.1 class 6 maths question 10. Length of Ramesh notebook is 9 cm, 5 mm. What will be in its length in centimeter? So what is the length of Ramesh notebook, children? 9 cm, 5 mm. If you want to convert millimeter to centimeter, how you should do? Which is the smaller quantity and which is the larger quantity? First tell me that. Anybody? Yes, millimeter is the smaller quantity. Centimeter is the higher quantity. Okay. Millimeter is smaller quantity, centimeter is higher quantity. So if you want to convert millimeter to centimeter, what you will do? Can anybody tell me? Yes, you can do division. 10 millimeter is 1 centimeter. Therefore, 5 millimeter is 5 divided by 10 centimeter. That is 0.5 centimeter. So 9 plus 0.5 centimeter will give 9.5 centimeter. Okay. The length of a young gram plant is 65 millimeter. Express its length in centimeter. Again, 65 divided by 10 centimeter, which will give 6.5 centimeter. Because in 10, how many zeros are there? Only one zero. Therefore, you have to go back one step, define 5 and put the decimal point there, which will give you 6.5 centimeter. Okay, children, we'll continue with the next part in the next session.